Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the world of hacks and reviews for all things tech. Today, we've got something hot and exciting lined up for you, the best heat guns of 2023, SEEKONE. Alright folks, let's talk about the SEEKONE heat gun, a real gem in the world of DIY projects. This heat gun comes equipped with a plethora of incredible features that will surely impress you. First off, one of its standout features is the adjustable temperature settings. You can easily control the heat output to suit different materials and tasks. This flexibility ensures you get precise results, whether you're working on delicate projects or heavy-duty applications. Now, let's not forget about the powerful motor packed inside this heat gun. It delivers a steady and consistent stream of hot air, making your tasks more efficient and saving you valuable time. No need to worry about inconsistent heating or long waiting times with this. Moreover, the SEEKONE heat gun is designed with user comfort in mind. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, allowing you to use it for extended periods without straining your hand. You won't have to put up with any discomfort while working on your projects. Next up, we have the Genesis GHG1500A heat gun, another contender in our list of top heat guns for 2023. This heat gun is loaded with features that make it a worthy companion for your various projects. One of the standout features of the Genesis GHG1500A is its durable build. This heat gun is designed to withstand the rigors of regular use, ensuring it stays in top-notch condition for a long time. Moreover, its ergonomic design adds to the overall user experience. The comfortable grip allows you to work for extended periods without feeling fatigued or uncomfortable. It's all about making your DIY endeavors as enjoyable and efficient as possible. But that's not all. Versatility is a key aspect of the Genesis GHG1500A. It comes with multiple attachments that expand its capabilities, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're removing paint, defrosting pipes, or shaping plastics, this heat gun has got you covered. Moving on to the Wagner 0503038 HT400 heat gun. This compact and lightweight powerhouse deserves its spot on our list of the best heat guns for 2023. First off, let's talk about its portability. The Wagner HT400 is designed to be easy to carry around, making it a great option for projects that require mobility. You won't feel weighed down while you work, allowing you to move freely and get the job done efficiently. Despite its small size, this heat gun still packs a punch. It features two temperature settings that provide you with enough versatility to handle a wide range of tasks. Safety is always a priority, and the Wagner HT400 doesn't skimp in this department. It's designed with built-in safety features to prevent overheating and ensure your work environment stays safe throughout your projects. Now let's talk about the results. The Wagner HT400 delivers consistent and even heat distribution, which is crucial for achieving precise and professional-looking outcomes. Whether you're shrinking tubing, loosening adhesive, or drying paint, this heat gun performs admirably. Now let's turn our attention to the DEWALT DCE530B heat gun. This one from DEWALT is a true powerhouse with some remarkable features that set it apart from the rest. One of the standout features of the DEWALT is its cutting-edge brushless motor technology. This innovative motor design not only provides impressive power, but also enhances the overall efficiency and longevity of the heat gun. Say goodbye to frequent motor replacements and hello to longer runtimes on your projects. As with any top-tier heat gun, it comes with adjustable temperature settings. You have precise control over the heat output, allowing you to handle various materials and tasks with ease. It's all about achieving those professional-grade results. This heat gun is part of the DEWALT ecosystem, which is a major plus for existing DEWALT tool users. You can utilize your current DEWALT batteries with this heat gun, providing you with even more convenience and compatibility with your existing tools. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on the DEWALT DCE530B heat gun. Porter cable PC 1500HG. Alright, lastly, we keep the heat going with the Porter cable PC 1500HG heat gun. This versatile and reliable heat gun is another top performer that deserves a spot on our list. One of the standout features of the Porter cable is its user-friendly design. The heat gun is built with convenience in mind, making it easy to handle and operate. Its comfortable grip ensures that you can work for extended periods without discomfort. The heat gun also features multiple temperature settings, giving you the flexibility to adjust the heat output to suit different tasks and materials. Whether you need high heat for heavy-duty applications or low heat for more delicate work, the Porter cable has got you covered. When you're busy working on a project, having a hands-free stand can be a real game changer. It also comes with a built-in stand that allows you to rest the heat gun safely when needed, making it convenient and easy to access while you take a short break or switch between tasks. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.